Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Welcome to our story session today with Shabana ma'am. So, we are going to do a very nice story today. Okay, you all can see what all is here. Yes, can you all guess? I am going to tell you a story about what? Which story? Can you all tell me? See what all are there over here. There are octopus, there is a turtle, there's a fish, then there's a dolphin, whale, everything is here. So what story is it? Yes, it's a story about a sea. Under the sea there are so many animals. These are all aquatic animals. What are they called? They are called aquatic animals. Yes, and they all stay deep under the sea. And today I am going to tell you about a story about whom? Can you tell me? About a turtle or about a dolphin or about a octopus? Can you tell me? You'll want to guess? Okay, I will give you a clue. Now, I am going to tell you about a story which has a big head and it has tentacles. You all know what are tentacles? What is it? Yes, very good. It's an octopus. Very good, my dear children. You all are so smart. I am going to tell you about the story of an octopus. And octopus has how many tentacles? Can you all tell? Can you all tell how many tentacles are there? Let's count. We'll count the tentacles. See, these are the tentacles. It's also called a leg of an octopus. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 legs and these 8 legs are also called tentacles. Okay, there are 8, that's why it's called octopus. Now I am going to tell you a story of an octopus named Ollie. You know, see, this is Ollie. Say hi to Ollie. Hi. Hi everyone. How are you all? See, this is an octopus called Ollie. And Ollie had brothers and sisters. See, this is one of the brother. This is one of the sister. And this is one of the brother of Ollie. You know what are their name? This is Orlando. Then this is Olivia. And this is Oscar. And here, can you see this white color? He's a Dr. Octopus. And you know, what did the Dr. Octopus say? I will tell you. Now, let's start the story. One day, when Ollie was born, Ollie had only 7 tentacles, only 7 legs. See, we'll count Ollie's leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The 8th leg did not grow. See, this 8th leg was so small, it did not grow. So Mama went to Dr. Octopus and she asked him that why is my baby's having only 7 legs? What about the 8th one? Doctor said, don't worry, when he will grow 8 years old, he will have 8 legs. On his 8th birthday, he'll get 8th leg. Mama was very happy. Mama said, oh, thank God, my baby will have the 8th leg also. So, Mama was very happy. But Ollie's brothers and sisters were very, they were not cooperative with Ollie. They all used to tease her. They all used to tell other sea creatures that not to play with Ollie. You know what? This Oscar said to turtle and dolphin and whale not to play with Ollie. Why? Because Ollie had only 7 legs, only 7 tentacles. So he said not to play with Ollie. But Ollie was very sad. Ollie said, nobody is playing with me. So Oscar said, go and find the person who can play with you because you have only 7 legs. Then Olivia used to tease Ollie. Ollie was the youngest among the brothers and sisters. So Olivia used to tease her. Oh, you have 7 legs. You are not a member of our family. And Ollie was very sad. Ollie said, oh, I'm not a family member. And she used to feel so sad. When Oscar told that go and play with other sea creatures, she went to Dolphin and she asked, hi Dolphin, hi, can I play with you? Dolphin said, no, you cannot play with me because you just have 7 tentacles. And I don't play with the octopus who has 7 tentacles. Then she went to Turtle. Turtle also said the same thing. Ollie was very sad. And then Ollie said, nobody plays with me. And then Ollie started playing among herself. She used to go between these weeds. See, there are weeds under the sea. So she used to go and play between the weeds. She was playing over there. And then what happened? Orlando saw her playing and he saw that she was so happy playing among herself. So he said to Ollie, hi Ollie, you know what? I found a big treasure ship over here, and there are lots and lots of jewels. So Ollie got very excited. Ollie said, oh, I also want to see. Can you please take me to see that? So Orlando said, no, I am not going to take you. Why will I take you? Because you have only 7 legs. Ollie became very sad. Ollie was very sad. Ollie went under her favorite place near the weeds and she sat and she was very sad. She went to her mama and she said, Mama, nobody plays with me. None of the sea creatures also play with me. My brothers and my sisters, they all tease me. When will I get my 8th tentacle? Mama said, oh Ollie, don't worry. You will get your 8th tentacle on your birthday. And tomorrow is your birthday. So you will get your 8th tentacle. Ollie was very happy. Ollie said, oh my God, I'm going to get 8th tentacle on my 8th birthday. And then that night, she went to sleep. And when she was sleeping, she saw a dream. She dreamt about getting a 8th tentacle. And that 8th tentacle, she was showing around to everybody and everybody became her friend. And she was so happy in her dream. But when she got up, what happened? What happened to her? She saw, but she did not get her 8th tentacle. See, the tentacle was still so tiny. She did not get the 8th tentacle. She became very sad and she went to her favorite place under the weeds and she went inside and she started crying. I did not get my 8th tentacle. I will not get it. What will it happen? Nobody is going to play with me. She was very sad. And when she was crying, you know what happened? Who came? You know? See? Yes, a God fairy came, and God fairy told Ollie that, Ollie, my dear, why are you crying? Ollie said, because nobody is playing with me and I have only 7 tentacles, and today is my birthday. I was supposed to get my 8th tentacle, but I did not get. So the fairy godmother told her not to worry. You are a very sweet and kind-hearted octopus. So I will grant you 3 wishes. Wow! Ollie got 3 wishes. Now, can you all tell what is she going to wish? Is she going to ask for her tentacle? Let's see what she wishes. Okay. So, the God fairy told her, come on, grant your first wish. So, Ollie was thinking. Then she told God fairy that please make Olivia a honest octopus. So the God fairy told, Abracadabra, I grant your wish. And she granted that wish. Did Ollie ask for her 8th tentacle? No. She asked Olivia to become honest. Now then, the fairy godmother said, now you have only 2 wishes left. Can you all think? Is she going to ask for her tentacle? Let's see. So, again the fairy godmother said, ask for your second wish. So, she told that I want Oscar to be kind. I want him to be a kind-hearted octopus. The fairy godmother said, okay, abracadabra, your wish is granted. See, Ollie is not asking for her tentacles. She's asking for her brothers and sisters to be kind and honest. Let's see, the last wish is left. Let's see what she asks. So, fairy godmother said, now you have the last wish. Now ask for your last wish. I will grant that. So, she said, I want Orlando to be fair. So she said, okay, I'm granting that wish too. She said, abracadabra, kili kili choo. All the 3 wishes are fulfilled. See what happened? Ollie didn't ask for her 8th leg. She asked her brothers and sister to be honest, fair, and so the fairy godmother said, you are a very nice and sweet octopus in the sea. I hope the wishes are fulfilled and you always be like this, and always on your birthday you will get 3 wishes. So Ollie was very happy and she said thank you to God fairy, and the God fairy disappeared. She went, and then Ollie was so happy. She ran home, and when she ran home, what was there? There was a surprise for her, her birthday party. When she entered the house, everybody started singing, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Ollie, happy birthday to you. And Ollie was very happy and surprised to see such a nice birthday. And you know what? When Oscar was so happy, Oscar said, oh Ollie, I have baked cake for you. And see, this is your cake for you for your birthday. Ollie was so happy. Oscar had become so kind. Yes. And then what did Orlando did? Orlando said, oh, Ollie, I'll be friends with you and I will tell or I'll take you to the treasure chest where you can get all your treasure what you want. So Ollie got so happy. She said, "Oh, now he's become so nice and kind to me." And see, can you see? Her wish is getting all true. The godmother the fairy godmother had given the wishes. All her wishes are coming true. And Ollie was so happy. Then then Olivia said, "Oh, Ollie, I'm so sorry. I forgot it was your birthday and I forgot to get you any gift." Ollie said, "Okay, it's okay, Olivia. It's okay. You're so honest. That's why I'm very happy with you." And they hugged each other. And then, see, she was so happy. Ollie was so happy. Then, you know what happened? Mother gave, what did the mother give to Ollie? Mother gave her a balloon. And she went and she tied this balloon to near the eighth bone of Ollie. And see, wow, she's got a eighth tentacle also. Ollie was so happy. Ollie was dancing here and there with her eighth leg. She was so happy. She said, "Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. I got my eighth leg." Wow. So, Ollie, Olivia, Oscar, Orland, and all the other sea creatures were very happy for Ollie. And now even Ollie was happy because she's got her eighth leg, eighth tentacle as a balloon. So she was very happy. Did you all enjoy the story, children? Yes? Have you all enjoyed it? Yes. And what did we learn from the story, children? Can you all tell me what did we learn? We learned that we should be kind to others. We should not tease anybody. We have to be honest with other people. And we cannot be selfish. See, Ollie was not selfish. If she would have been selfish, she would have asked for her eighth tentacle from godmother, god fairy. But she did not ask. She was very, very kind and she was selfless. She did not ask for her eighth tentacle. She was not selfish at all. So, we have to be like Ollie. And all her brothers and sisters were also became so honest, kind-hearted and very nice to Ollie. So we all want to become like Ollie. Yes, children? Okay. I hope you all enjoyed this story, children. See you next time in another story. Thank you.